I used onion spray for 2 weeks on my hair and this happened. If you want to know how, watch this video to the end to find out how to grow your hair like crazy. It's onion spray. In today's video, we'll be preparing onion spray. For those of you who don't like the smell of onion juice, you can decide to prepare yours this way. So I am peeling the back of the onions, washed it and sliced it into pieces. As you can see, I'm not blending this dough, I'm just cooking it like this. So as the video goes on, allow me tell you the importance of onions when added to hair and scalp. Onion juice can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. The sulfur in onions helps to promote collagen production for healthy skin cells. Onion juice cures dandruff and it's packed with antioxidants that help prevent premature graying of hair. It helps nourish your scalp and prevent hair fall. Here I am boiling the juice. I boiled it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Off the gas and allow it to cool down a bit. I went ahead to strain it with a strainer. So this is what came out. You'll be wondering why my onions is not purple or colorish. But if you look at it very well, you can see that it's a bit cloudy. It's because the onions I use is not purple. I tried to transfer it into my spray bottle, but as you can see, it was pouring. So I have to transfer it into another bowl. Made it easy to transfer into the spray bottle. So up next, I'll be showing you guys how I apply this to my hair. Yeah, this looks so good and it works so well. If you haven't tried it, you should try it today. Here I'm applying it to my scalp. As you can see, making sure it gets to every part of my hair. You can also add essential oil, any essential oil you have available, but here I didn't add essential oil because I already have oils in my hair. So I didn't want it to be much. Making sure I spray the juice on every part of my hair. I did this for 2 weeks and you can see the growth. You can see the new hair. I don't even need to raise it up. You can see it. That this spray has been doing wonders to my hair. And don't forget the strength, the length of your hair. Make sure you spray it. And don't forget to massage. Take your time to massage it. You should try this. Try it and give me feedback. And don't forget to seal in. Here I'm sealing it in my homemade butter. I'll be making a video of this butter next. Thank you lovelies for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and drop your comments. Like the video and drop your comments. Have a nice day. Bye.